The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, York County in south-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Mechanicsburg near Westminster to Fairland and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Weaglestown, New Cumberland, Mountjoy, Enola, Myerstown, Lebanon, Mannheim, Indianola, Lemoyne, Middletown, Rosestown, Millersville, Mechanicsburg, Dallastown, Hershey, Colonial Park, Lancaster, Palmyra, and York. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 229 to 295, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 53 to 96, Interstate 83 from mile markers 1 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. The thunderstorm wind gusts are expected to produce damage. People are urged to move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building. And maybe drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado is checked for much of this area. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or a small interior room.